So, good afternoon, children. Hope you all are. हो गया कर लिए. अरे रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है, हटो ना. So, hope you all are ready to attend the online class. And today's topic of discussion revision is sale and purchase. Under the advanced writing skills, we study a number of writing skills, and one of them is sale and purchase. Actually, this comes under the classified columns. In the newspaper, there is a page where the ads for classified columns are there, like sale and purchase, matrimonial, lost and found. Such advertisements are there, and based on such advertisements, a particular question is asked under advanced writing skill, that is sale and purchase. For example, if you are ready with pen and paper, you can note it down. You can outline the question first and then draft the answer. That is, you want to sell your old car. Draft an advertisement under the column or for the column for the classified column of a newspaper invent all relevant details. Invent all relevant details. Students, you are aware of this fact that at +2 standard, maximum writing skills and their questions have the same tagline, that is, invent relevant details. Means you are supposed to supply all the related information required for this particular writing skill. So we would like to draft the answer. So what are the technical points to be considered while drafting such writing skills? What is the point of concern? First, jot down the important points and then try to organize those points in one. First, that is, heading, that is sale and purchase. In capital letter, of course. Number 2, brand, model, brand, model, color, insurance coverage, accessories, price, price comes later on, distance covered, and that is next, price. So 8 to 9 points to be considered while drafting such writing skills. And now you have to organize such points, but while doing so, be very, very particular. You are not supposed to spend so much time, because it carries only 3 or 4 marks. So the time management according to the number allotted for that particular writing skill, you must keep in mind. So let us have a draft, final draft, that is and must superscribe with, of course it will be under box, sale and purchase. Sale and purchase. A red colored 2015 model better we can subscribe the name of the car with capital, Maruti Suzuki Swift Desire car, fairly in good condition, with all the accessories recently renewed, distance covered, $25,000 came only, and this much, 1,25,000 kilometer only, with insurance coverage by a reputed company is available for sale. Price negotiable. Price negotiable. Contact, email mobile number. This is the way. Let us discuss once again. So the input I was talking about, what should be the input for drafting such answers from classifieds for sale and purchase particularly? So first of all, the heading must be there, that is sale and purchase. Next, all the important information relating to your vehicle must be furnished. So that the buyer must have the complete knowledge, complete information about the vehicle he is going to purchase or she is going to purchase. So a red colored means I describe the color, okay? Color is okay? Color. Number 2, 2015 model means I also mentioned the model. Number 3, name of the brand mentioned. Fairly in good condition, this is a courtesy. You need to write it, fairly in good condition. So, with all the accessories recently new, accessories, courtesy. Accessories. Next, distance covered. Distance coverage. And number 7, insurance. And number 8, price. Number 9, contacts. Details of contacts, email or mobile number. So 8 to 9 pieces of information are furnished while drafting such answers, but you have to take care of the time. Simply you have to organize. You have to organize all those points into one. So what is the technique of writing the answer of such things? Once again, first of all, think of the expected points to be organized in the answer. So first of all, jot down the points. Jot down the points and then systematically organize those points. As you see, I have given the color, color is here. Model is also there, Maruti Suzuki. Brand, model means the year of manufacturing, that is there. Brand, Maruti Suzuki. Thereafter, courtesy is there, fairly in good condition, it is there. Accessories recently renewed, it is there. Distance coverage, I have given here. Insurance coverage by a reputed company, it is there. And price. Children, you must bear in mind, this is the way of writing regarding price particularly. That price negotiable means whatever price is declared by the seller, it is not the fixed one. It may go up and down. That is the meaning of negotiable. Means after a good deal of bargaining, both will reach a conclusion where both will be agreed at a particular amount, point, a particular point where both are ready to sell and purchase. That's why this is the way of drafting such things, price negotiable. While selling any item, even flats, buildings, commercial complex, or your bike, car, whatever, whenever the matter of price is there, it is a courtesy to write like this. Price negotiable. The meaning of negotiable, you know, adjustable. After a good deal of discussion between the two, the seller and the buyer. That's why we write price negotiable. And finally, email or mobile number, so that the buyer may contact you for that purpose. So this is all about the sale and purchase. I will take up another classified because you have to, if you prepare one or two, I think it will be enough. Yes. Next classified, that is regarding the to let of a flat. To let. Means if you want to rent out your flat or any shopping complex or shop or anything, how will you draft the advertisement to be published in the classified column of a newspaper? You know, you see particularly there is a page in the newspaper where classified columns are there, where all such type of advertisements are there. So next is to let. How to write? The question is, you want to let your to rent out your flat, draft an advertisement to be published in the classified column of a newspaper. Write the question first. You want to rent out your flat. You want to rent out your flat, draft an advertisement to be published, ADV in short we write for advertisement, to be published in the classified of a newspaper. Invent all relevant details. Invent all relevant details. Invent all relevant details. So, invent all relevant details. This is the common instruction. So, you have a flat, you want to rent it out. What should be the proper drafting for the advertisement to be published under the classified column? So, first of all, we write to let. In the same way, first of all, we would like to jot down the specifications related to the flat. Specifications, what should be? Specifications of the flat we must write, means the features of the flat. First of all, how many rooms? 2 BHK, 3 BHK, we write 3 BHK. Generally this BHK is a very popular expression for the flat. 3 bedroom, hall, kitchen. 3 BHK, 2 BHK. This is the 1 BHK concept. So first feature we write how many rooms are there. Second, the courtesy, spacious. Third, location, situated in the heart of the city, like that, location. Four, important places to be approached. Means the flat is situated at a place in a particular area where all the important locations are easily approachable. So, places of approach. Understand? And rent. And 7, contact. 6 to 7 points to be covered while drafting the ad for this classified. Understand? So, let me start it. Places of approach. Or we would write in the center. Too late. A 3 BHK spacious flat a 3 BHK flat with three balconies, 2 halls, well ventilated, spacious, located in the prime areas from where all the important places like schools, markets, airport, railway station, hospital, are easily approachable. Is available on rent. Price negotiable. contact, email and mobile number. This is what did we do? First of all, we superscribed the heading, that is too late, and whatever the important points we jotted down, we simply organized. We have to organize all the jotted points, important points, which are the features and specifications of the flat. Like BHK, we write 3 BHK with 3 balconies, 2 halls, well ventilated. These are the features. I am writing nothing but the features of the in-to-let services. In classifieds advertisement, particularly sale and purchase or to let, we have to do nothing but just organize the features in a right way, and your answer is ready. Here also I have done the same thing. 3 BHK flat, the number of rooms ho gaya, that is 3 balconies, 2 halls, well ventilated and spacious, located in the prime area from where all the important places like schools, markets, airport, railway station, hospitals are easily approachable. This is a strong feature. Means the flat is situated at a place from all the important places of concern will be approached easily. Is available on rent. And in the same fashion, again, price or rent. Should write rent because you are going to rent out, to let. So in place of price, you write rent. Make a correction. Rent negotiable. Again, means rent will be decided after a proper discussion between the person who is renting out the flat and another who is hiring the flat. That is the process of negotiation. So rent negotiable, and you have to write the contact and email. So this is how this classified advertisement for to let is drafted. So children, I just shared 2 important writing skills with you. I taught 2 writing skills with you. That is one, sale and purchase, and this is to let. And you need to practice more than once so that when such questions appear in the examination, you will be able to write it properly. Is there any query? Any question? If it is, you can ask. So I hope I've done with this, and the next class I'll take up another writing skills.